Hello and welcome to IPsoft's online demo of Big Data Analytics Solutions. This video highlights IPsoft's fraud management solution known as False Answer Supervision, or FAS. We will use the acronym FAS for this demo. This is a three-part demo and will cover our FAS solution comprehensively. Each part is about 10 minutes long. The screen that is displayed is our portal for Big Data Solutions. Left side lists some of our Big Data solutions. In this online demo, we will demonstrate IPsoft's FAS solution, its unique features and functionalities, and how it can help you mitigate FAS in your environment. IPsoft's FAS solution is recognized by the industry as the first automated solution with high accuracy, extensive coverage, and minimal false positives. Our FAS solution is helping major telcos mitigate fraud and save money by catching and removing fraud in real time. FAS is still one of the most prevalent types of fraud in the carrier network. So let's define FAS first. FAS occurs when a call is falsely answered by a carrier in your route. It could be a downstream carrier that you're not aware of. These fraudulent carriers send a false answer signal or an early answer signal to start billing in advance of a real answer. And even worse for a subscriber, if the call he makes is hijacked and routed through an automated recording, your subscribers end up with bills for calls that never went through or for calls that extended to a longer than usual durations. Most traditional solutions have failed in effectively detecting FAS. They are either pro-based, rule-based, threshold-based, or based on elementary statistics. Many times, the existing solutions end up falsely detecting legitimate cases like auto-answer destinations, or most times completely missing fraudulent cases like in the case of blended fraud. IPsoft's FAS solution, currently deployed on all major wholesale carriers, is an advanced statistical solution based on machine learning and detects FAS in real time. The solution has an accuracy of 95% and covers more than 90% of FAS cases in your network. Let's move on to the demo now, shall we? The user interface is intuitive and minimalistic in design and very effectively displays the findings of complex machine learning algorithms that power the solution behind the scenes. As you can see here, there are two tabs: Configure Parameters and Retrieve Information. Configure Parameters, where you can configure just 4 parameters. You do not have to configure the routes, suppliers, destinations, and more importantly, rules and thresholds, because the machine learns your network from the CDRs. Thresholds and rules are tricky. Too tight thresholds will miss true positives, and too relaxed ones will end up falsely alerting the legitimate cases. In case of IPsoft solution, the solution optimally sets the norm of legitimate traffic for every destination, route, service level at different times of the day. Any anomaly is caught accurately in real time and alerted. Let's look at the parameters you will configure. Email notification. If you are from the operations team or network's operations center, email notification will simplify your processes. Let me take an example and explain. Let me select the supplier. You may have a bilateral with the supplier, or some of our customers have a process where, out of courtesy, they notify a fraudulent supplier before removing it from the routing engine. In such cases, auto email notification will stop any manual intervention with 3 simple steps. You select the supplier, you enter the supplier's email ID, and then hit update. That's it. Or if you're from the sales team, and if this is the new supplier that you have added, you can closely monitor it, select service provider, enter your or your sales team's email, and hit update. If the supplier is doing fast, the sales team will get email alerts in real time. Notice here, you did not have to type in the supplier name. It is auto-learned by the machine through your CDRs. Just like email notifications, there are other output interfaces that the solution supports, like SNMP notification using SNMP traps, WSDL interface, or the portal. Let's look at configuring the route parameters by example. These routes, 35,389 routes, are auto-learned by the solution. By route, we mean service provider or next hop supplier, destination or fine-grained destination, service level, premium, standard, gold, platinum, etc. Let's first look at exemptions. For example, you can exempt a destination, Afghanistan. Why would you do that? You may not have many suppliers that carry traffic to this destination and do not want to remove the only supplier and disrupt the service, hence decide to exempt it. There are 3 simple steps to do that. First, you filter the supplier. Then you hit all routes. Then hit exemption and hit update. You can still check via the portal if any supplier is doing fast to the destination, but can refrain from taking routing decisions. Let's talk about engineering mode. There are 3 engineering modes that the solution supports. Conservative mode. The solution alerts only when it's 95% confident of fast. This means that the accuracy for this mode is 95%. Aggressive mode. The solution aggressively catches fast, blended fast or low-grade fast, which is missed by almost all other solutions on the market. The coverage for aggressive engineering mode is over 90%. Intermediate engineering mode. This is the most popular mode amongst our customers because it is more than 90% accurate and covers close to 85% of fast cases. Let's take an example, service level platinum. These are your VIP customers. You do not tolerate fraud for platinum customers and want to aggressively catch every case of fast, so you can configure the engineering mode to aggressive and follow the same 3 steps as earlier. Whatever be your business case, the portal allows you to configure on a case-by-case basis. Each of these engineering modes are mapped to unions of intersections of 6 families of algorithms. Each algorithm looks at various patterns from your CDRs like answer time, connect time, setup time, call durations, and answer seizure ratio. Each engineering mode has a different combination of these algorithms, each with different thresholds to determine the coverage and the accuracy. Let's look at the RRI, Route Reinstatement Interval. This is an intelligent feature of the solution where you can penalize or award a supplier based on its past history. If a supplier is caught doing fast, you notify the routing engine to remove the supplier and reinstate after a given interval. Assuming the supplier has been removed, the bag carries from its routes. You can manually select the base value here for the first time. After that, if the supplier does fast again, the interval for reinstatement is computed automatically and intelligently by the solution based on the supplier's past history and the norm for the destination for the given service level. This way, repeated offenders keep getting penalized incrementally.